Hello everyone! Magandang araw ulit sa inyong lahat. Kakauwi lang namin galing sa grocery. Tapos ayun yung aming mga napamili, mga nakakalat pa. Hindi ko pa naaayos. Kasi it's lunch time, kakain muna kami ng lunch. But, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung aming lunch for today. Alright, ito yung lunch namin. Of course, Pinoy food again. Ayan siya, ayan. So, pakita ko sa inyo. Alright, umpisahan natin sa fish na na prito, tong malaking fish na to. Look at that.
It's called pompano.
It's called pompano daw. It's a pompano fish. Look at that fish. Ooh. It's a fish. Alright, and also we have afritada na chicken. May bawas na siya kasi inulam na ni Chloe. She loved this afritada chicken. She loved that. Tapos, nagayat din ako ng kamatis. I love yung kamatis na hilaw tapos lalagyan ng toyo. Tapos, meron din tayo na pho soup. Yung pho. Vietnamese siya, soup with beef and noodles and some sort of vegetable. Minced sprouts. And then the chicken. That's my favorite, the chicken. Tapos, meron din tayong rice. Of course, Pinoy rice. Yan, may rice. Tapos, ang ating dessert ay Melo's favorite, leche flan. Yan. Tapos, meron ako ditong drink na Fanta. Tapos, yung aking asawa, meron siya dong water. Okay, simulan na natin ang ating lunch. Let's go, Ra! Alright, let's go! Let's eat! Magkakamay ulit ako. Nagugas na ako ng aking kamay. Si Melo and Chloe is tapos na silang mag-lunch. So kami na lang ulit ang magla-lunch. Together. Summarize? Very good. Chicken afritada. Chloe's favorite itong chicken afritada. Yeah, paborita. It's good. And I like kamatis. Ayan, kamatis. Yun! Ay, perfecto na. Okay, kain na tayo. Kakain na. Sarap talaga ng kamatis na fresh tapos lalagyan lang ng toyo. So good.
Sabaw ka rin.
Magsam ulo.
Magkano ulo?
Isda. Ulo na isda. Kamay na natin itong isda. Ay, look at that. Right? Ang taba. Ayan, ayan. Kain po, kain. Kain tayo. Itong afritada, lasang ano, fiesta. Lasang fiestahan. Lasang handaan or kasalan, ganyan. Birthday yan. Lalasa siya. Kamatis! Yun na, kamatis na fresh. Do you think they still have fireworks? By the way, today po is July 3rd dito sa US. Tapos bukas is July 4th. It's a holiday for the US. It's 244 years, you said? Para, it's like a birthday, parang ganon. Para po siyang ano, birthday ng Amerika. So, 244 years po ang United States bukas. So, bukas marami magsa-celebrate na American. So, mamaya, after this, we're gonna try to buy fireworks for kids para kasi hindi po kami lalabas bukas for fireworks. Bukas na gabi kasi alam niyo na may carbonara. So we're gonna try to find our own fireworks for kids, yung safe for kids so they can enjoy it. Yeah. So let's go eat. Sorry po pala, sorry po pala kay Acquisition nga, kuya. Sorry, hindi ako nakapag-stay ng long sa sa LS mo kanina kasi nag-grocery kami tapos late na kami nakauwi tapos ngayon nagla-lunch naman kami. Sorry ha, babawi na lang ako next time. Kain lang, kain.
Whoa, he missed. He missed me. Bang.
I want some more fish. Ay! Tingnan niyo naman ang laki ng isda, oh. Ang taba. Dito po sa bahay namin, mahilig kami sa Pinoy food. Ako. Mahilig ako sa Pinoy food. Pero ito, mahilig siya sa American food. Ito. American food gusto niya. Pero ako, Pinoy food gusto ko.
Uh-oh.
Let's go try. talaga ng Fanta.
I did it. That was so hard.
Oh, dito po ngayon is 1:00 ng hapon. So, medyo late na kami nag-lunch. Naubos niya yung pause soup. What do you need? Rice? Melo, would you like to eat some leche flan? Or maybe later? Because you just ate your lunch, right?
You'll be the first one to touch it.
Oh, it's so big and catch it here. That's how you push. I can't touch anything.
Okay, you can sit over here beside me.
Okay. Ooh, Jake's
Get your small...
there. I should do a little pizza, mommy. But
Pizza?
Uh-huh.
Hi, Chloe.
But did you know that one of these games about to help the people that want to do pizzas?
Oh.
I'm helping the people that I don't have on FaceTime.
Huh?
No, we just want to be outside. Who else is on?
Go ahead and eat the leche flan if you can run it.
With fingers, with
No, you gotta use the spoon.
where's the spoon?
You wanna drink?
I want a spoon.
Yeah, go ahead and get it. The small one.
My baby spoon?
Yeah.
Baby.
Baby spoon.
Yum! Mommy, look how tiny it is.
My drink? No. Ayan! Inusod natin yung camera para kasama si Mel and Chloe. You wanna try Mommy's juice? Mommy's drink? No. Just drink it. Cold, huh? No, you don't use spoon for that. Si Melo kumakain ng kanyang dessert na leche flan. His favorite. Ay. And his spoon, sabi ni Chloe, kailangan ko daw ng spoon habang kumakain. Ayaw niya kasi ako nagkakamay.
That's a
Melo, what are you doing, baby?
I'm cutting it.
Not like that. Just cut the one side, baby.
Just don't say.
Yeah. Yeah. You wanna try again? Mommy's drink? You want to have it? Whoa!
Whoa! That's a yuck.
What it tastes like?
Um,
Tastes orange. That's correct.
Mommy, I know my end. I know my fruit.
You know your fruit?
Yes.
Mmm.
Orange is orange. Blue is blue. Two. Who should I be?
Good.
Mmm.
Oh, yeah.
the leche flan? What?
I like it.
She likes it.
Well, I want
We have same favorite.
But I want to drink them.
Oh, look at your elbow, your arms. It's gonna touch it fine. No, not you, Chloe.
I know. There's a price. Now what are you doing?
I'm eating. Lunchtime. Yeah. Oh my god, I'm getting full.
I'm getting hungry.
Um,
Mom,
double top.
I'm getting more hungry. Okay,
Sarap ang istang to. Malaman siya guys, hindi siya ano. Hindi siya yung isda na madaming tinik.
And my turn.
I'm so ready. Sogbo na oh. Linis na yung plate ko. Yeah, go ahead and drink your water if you want to. You just ate rice and then you want Oreo? Okay. I heard that.
That was Chloe.
Yes.
No. What is that? Ay, sinabi. Ang lakas. Akay ni Chloe.
That was you, Melanie? Thought it was mommy.
Ooh. Oreo. Do we have the open one? This is not open yet. Get the open one. Yeah. Yeah. Finish the open one first before you open it. Okay.
I'm feeling like super full.
Super full.
I'm getting hungry again.
You know? Sa laki po ng isda na to, hindi mo siya mauubos agad kasi sobrang laki. Malaki masyado. Pero masarap siya.
What are we talking about?
Isda. Pero masarap yung ulo niya. Oh, okay, just get the new one then. Thank you na. Masarap yung ulo niya. Nako, try nyo tong isda na to, masarap. Mahilig kasi ako sumipsip sa ulo. Masarap kasi sipsipin yung ulo niya. Yung ulo niya. Yung ulo niya. Ay, nako, bastos ka.
I think you need Jesus in it.
Yung ulo niya. Oo, yung ulo nga niya. Ayaw nga maniwala, yung ulo niya. Let's open it. You know how to open, right? You do? Yeah! Oh, it's open. Mm. When you're first grade, yeah. No nap. Don't open it too much. Just open it halfway. Oh, good. No orange? No. Is that your favorite Oreo?
Yeah.
Favorite snack? Mm-hmm. Can I have my water, please? No, that's not mine. That's yours. I want mine.
It's the same thing, right?
No, it's not. Busog na naman tayo. Ay, ay, ay. Napping, napping, napping.
Mommy, look what he's doing. We're playing.
You wanna call him?
Like this.
Go ahead and call him before you go take a nap. Oh, your battery is really low.
I'm just gonna try with
You don't have to eat it if you don't want. Let's try that leche flan. Leche flan naman tayo. Gos. So good. What about it?
After I can't call Jake when he's online before Jake comes, give you the thing that you need, pizza.
Mm-hmm.
This is the pizza game.
You want to learn how to make pizza?
I already tried this game.
No, not games, like real pizza.
No, this is a game.
Yeah, I'm asking you if you wanna. Would you like to learn? So you can make pizza for mommy or daddy.
Mom, I'm already trying to learn how to make pizza. But one of these pizza, nope, I didn't do really good on these ones. But at the
Have
next,
leche flan?
this is where it makes the first pizza here, and it goes to the other
You wanna
place.
try?
Yeah.
Why not?
Why not if you say so?
You only live once.
That's good.
You close the box and
Yum na. So creamy tong ano na to, leche flan. Yan na.
Oh, God.
Parang itong leche flan na to yung ano. Tapos ka na pero gusto mo pa.
Mommy, you just put.
Tony mag...
Mommy, if you go to my,
And another one.
Mommy, if you go in the,
Hold this way.
let me talk.
What is that?
Like when you go,
Mommy wants another one.
pizza.
Yeah, that's right. Mommy wants another pizza.
Duh. Believe it.
Chloe, that's the last one, okay?
That's it. I'm done.
That's the last one, okay? I ate so much, I'm sweating.
Alright. Tapos na kami kumain. Pakita ko sa inyo yung aming pinagkainan. Empty na.
Hey guys, level 3.
Yan. After namin kumain, ito na yung itsura ng aming pinagkainan. Ito yung aking plate. Yan na yung leche flan lang natira. Tapos yan yung chicken. Yung chicken. Yan yung fish. And ito yung kamatis. Tapos yung rice, it's all gone. The chicken is all gone. Tapos yung pho, it's all gone. Ayan, tingnan nyo naman ang aming pinagkainan. It's empty. Pero yung isda, masyado kasing malaki yung isda. So, hindi namin siya naubos. Ayan, tingnan nyo naman ang aming pinagkainan. Panalong-panalo. Okay, alright. Thank you guys for watching our video. At sa lahat po ng sumusuporta sa amin, thank you so much. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nag-subscriber, sa lahat ng nanonood. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. At sana patuloy nyo pa rin akong subaybayan ang aming YouTube channel. At yung mga hindi pa po nakasubscribe sa aming channel, please subscribe kayo. Melo and Chloe's channel. Thank you. Bye! See you to the next video. I love you all. Bye!